Local updates for POL with my customer set were more than okay to try open a long futures position. For the spot, guys, if you believe in this project, you can accumulate whatever you want, right? I'm gonna take a look. We're more than okay to try open futures position. So locally here, for me, this liquidity pool of beginning of February will be like more than okay zone to try open futures position, of course, with the proper money management and the risk management. Now, on the daily time frame, we're in disbelief and around the capitulation, but I'm better with the gray color. This zone, for me, it will be the more than okay to try open futures position, and the stop loss we can count, for example, like let's say 6% or 7%, so 14% or 12% with a stop loss. It's more than okay because it's absolutely the same story. Like you could open the, I don't know, 1.5% with a 10x leverage. And the target, guys, of course, it will be the first trouble area, this one, this high. It's like first liquidity pool. So 12% against 90. For me, it's more than okay to try open trade. So weekly time frame, of course, it's capitulation, but you can go and double check the Matic chart global one crypto to find the all history for this token. But I'm gonna check only the local one on the Binance. Let's take a look the EMAs, 50 EMA, 200 EMA on the Binance. But of course, I'll recommend you use the global one. For me, it's not enough reason to open trade now. We rejected at here 200 EMA, we retested 50 EMA. So I would like to see 1, 2, 1, 2, and the third sweep, reverse pattern on a daily. And after that, the road will be to the 100 EMA test and 200 EMA test. So for me, it looks like a short position. Of course, it no makes sense to try open short position now because where to add a stop loss over here. So it's like 18% stop loss, but a target. So no makes sense. If we just sweep that low, it's going to be just 24% profit against the 18. So almost 1-to-1 ratio. If we double check the sessions opens, usually we come back, guys, on the chart to the yearly open. And for Matic yearly open, we already retested this one. So yes, here we rejected it. Yearly open is like 10 cents. That's why I don't think so. We're going to hold the line at 9 cent 36, and I think we're going to drop under 8 cents, and it can be like the good entry for the futures position. Also, no makes sense to count the impulse here. This was an impulse, and we already formed the 78 level by FIB. Even without a FIB, you can find here, so around even lower. So we're inside this zone. So no, for me it looks like on Tuesday we're gonna sweep this low. If not, I just skip the trade and I will be more than happy. ADZ direction. This is accumulation on 12 time frame. Yes, accumulation on direction, but neutral zone on ADZ. I'm rather wait the touch of the bottom or open futures trade. So now, guys, not enough reason, personally for me, not enough reason to open trade. Market mood, I showed you money power. Money power on daily, no money inflow. Last money inflow was here. Some local rebound was around 18%. Now nothing. So we all even lower by price, but no money inflow. Some money inflow was here on the spot. Now nothing. Well, time frame. Some signals for money inflow, but once again, it's not enough personally for me for futures trade. This liquidity pool looks attractive to grab liquidity. This one, so you have to understand under these levels, a lot of stop losses. And the main stop loss, of course, if you open here, trade, you add a stop loss here. If you open here, you add stop loss, I don't know, with a 10x leverage here. So 1%, 2% with 10x leverage, so 20% stop loss. So we can drop even to 8 cents, like round number, to liquidate a 40% margin of that late longs. And here, I don't think so. Somebody fixed the profit 33%. So people wait because the people want to open that historical trade, you know, like I cat the bottom and I'm just wait for the next year to check my green P&L every single day. The last indicator, guys, two. One, it's trade on, buy, recommendation close position, no signal to buy yet again, and here no signal to take profit from the sell. That's why add alert, trade on, take profit. I need to see the confirmation when I gotta see the signal to close a short position. Here was like buy, pump, take profit, sell. Now only the buybacks on the daily. So sometimes, guys, better wait, because here the recent one signals buy lines say trigger it. So we added 3 days ago. Take profit, we added the beginning of the March for H bar. If we added for the river, take profit signal we added at the beginning of March, and take profit signal we added also 4 days ago for ADA. So guys, sometimes better wait when we see the notification to take profit or from sales or from buys. And after that, build a plan what to do next. Buy line, guys, on all now on the daily, it's 7 cents 60. So also more than real to see this sweep. Take profit line, it's 15. Weekly time frame, not enough data on this chart. We didn't test the buy line, so I will be not surprised, guys, if we really dump with the week under 8 cents to 7.50 or even a little bit lower. That's why now I'm just wait first of all the signal take profit from the sales, this one. And after that, I'm going to check the signal to buy again. Guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please in a comment what you think about the poll. If you'd like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.